right, here we go. We're gonna load the car and show you everything we got. Today was literally one of the cheapest trips we've ever done at Costco. It was under $100. It was like $99. Yeah, we spent a lot last week. Last week was like literally, this are just little things that we wanted to get for the week. And then of course we found extra stuff because we don't know how to say no. But
all we got was anything else.
We got two things extra. We got muffins.
And the corn dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
and the lettuce.
And my spaghetti. My
and his, yeah. So we did get a couple extra things. We got muffins. We got sweet potato chips. We got our Kirkland chicken. You know, I don't know why we're
on the wrong side.
Hold on a second, because we didn't park that far. Yep. We'll show you guys. We'll show you guys what we got. Hold on.
That's your receipt. Don't want to lose it because you need that.
Hold on. Go ahead, Irie, unlock.
Yeah, my man's ready for war over there.
What? Oh, jeez. All right, these are the sweet potato chips that Steven's like obsessed with. So these are a new find. We've gotten them a bunch of times. Show the sweet potato fries again.
Oh yeah, they're the best.
Organic sweet potatoes.
They're delicious, guys.
Foster's mini corn dog nuggets for my mom.
Rachel's mother.
My mother.
She's a corn dog holder.
Well.
She's a corn holio.
And then show the bag of chicken again.
It's good. They're big too. They're like that big.
They're really big.
They're really big. And then we got the Spingolis. That's Kaluba's favorite.
Spirella minis.
That's the Italian, I mean. And then we got Mama's thing here. We got her.
That's mine. My vitamins. We should put the muffins in the lettuce. We brought two. We have two coolers, so we can put the muffins in the other one, maybe, and the lettuce in the other one. Like I said, this trip was not as much. Steven spent like $300 last week, but we needed household items. So whenever you, of course, and then of course my muffins that I'm so excited about.
Enough muffins here to feed a family.
Well, one whole one is going in a freezer for sure. Is it gonna close? Awesome.
Yeah.
And then
my lap.
really?
I'm not eating them now though.
Oh.
No, I'm not hungry.
All right, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.
And like and
sorry
subscribe
we
to the Club of Two.
Sorry we haven't posted videos much.